Number 1. An entity which may or may not own or operate a vessel that provides a point-to-point service which may include several modes of transport and/or undertakes groupage of less container load or LCL shipments and issues the corresponding transport document. A. Non-vessel operating common carrier. B. Freight forwarder. C. Cargo consolidator. D. International freight forwarder. Number 2. A place where a vessel, ship, aircraft, or train unloads its shipments from where they will be dispatched to their respective consignees. A. Port of entry. B. Port. C. Port of discharge. D. Pier. Number 3. Non-containerized general cargo stored in boxes, bales, pallets, or other individual units to be loaded onto or discharged from vessels or aircrafts. A. Bulk cargoes. B. Loose cargoes. C. Break bulk cargoes. D. Unitized cargoes. Number 4. The party appearing in the transport document to whom delivery of the shipment may be lawfully made in accordance with the contract of carriage. A. Shipper. B. Interested party. C. Consignee. D. Agent. Number 5. A permission granted by quarantine officials to a vessel or aircraft to hold intercourse with the port after the ship or aircraft has complied with the port regulations. A. Quarantine certification. B. Quarantine pass. C. Quarantine permit. D. Pratik.